This is a new purchase for my studio. It's a set of Kuretake Gansai Tambi. Excuse me, my pronunciation is not good. Anyway, I've been reading about these and seeing other artists, so I thought I'd buy a set. So here I am doing color swatching, and this is a great meditative exercise. And I'm doing it in a couple different areas. They provided a couple of color charts. One was in the lid of the box and another was on a separate piece of paper. And then I drew circles in a sketchbook and wanted to see it on a different paper stock because paints always behave differently depending on what surface you're putting them on. And I was so pleased with all the colors. And as you can see, I've done every color as a swatch. And the pigments are beautiful, and the paint quality just lays down really nice on whatever surface you're working on. I loved it on my sketchbook, which is the big circles. It just flowed really nicely, and the colors were intense. And I really just enjoy doing this. I think artists are naturally drawn to painting swatches. I think most of us are. I don't know about everybody, but it really is a way to, if you're feeling a bit stuck or in a slump, it's a great way to get your mind changing and going in new directions. As I did this, I thought about, what should I do? And I was thinking about surface pattern design and how I could create animals and do them in different colorations. And I just let my mind go, and I didn't feel any pressure or stress, and so it was really very helpful to do. And as I said, the quality of these paints is beautiful, and it will be fun to try them in many different places and in different sketchbooks and on illustration board. So I will be sharing more of that as I get further along. So as I near the end, well, you can't see the white. That was that one circle. And all the light colors are hard to see. And the gold and silver. But those even look beautiful. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this demonstration. Here's a picture of the set at the end, and you can see all the luscious color that's there. And I look forward to using them in many ways. And I hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration about color swatching a new set of watercolors. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.